But I did like these tips that you kind of shared with me that you created for moving into a smaller office space, which was, getting rid of the unneeded furniture and equipment so you can help them assess what they need, what they should store, and for how long, correct?
Absolutely.
Measuring of the space, so that they have an idea of the footprint that they're currently going to take, make sure it's accurate so that they can have their designers or their team, come in and reallocate the space and use it efficiently. Consider multi-purpose furnishings. I loved that because I'm always into maybe something that I once used as a desk now becoming, shelving space or, and I think that that's really important. Even one desk becoming two. I read that you had put that in there and I thought that that was great. And the fact that you guys are, part of OMA, I think speaks volumes for your capabilities and the ability to kind of get you from one place to the other if you're, going into a smaller space or setting up that satellite office, that you have those partners that sort of do that for us.
And one of the things you mentioned about OMA, what we've seen an uptick in is a lot more movement of assets to different markets because New York's always been a hub. We've talked about this before. It's it's like the hub.
Yeah.
And what I've been doing actually now is some items that were in storage are getting moved to different markets now to be allocated there. So again, as part of that asset management process, we can help basically connect that paper trail as it leads to the new office. And I've been doing moves for clients. I got one going to Austin, and then another actually is going to Paris from New York.
Oh, that's terrific.
Yeah, it is. It's interesting to see, again, what they need. And what's funny is, as a matter of fact, the client who needs their items moved to Texas doesn't even know where they are in the city. He knows they're in a storage unit. He doesn't know where. They're
so
in Brooklyn.
have they all
Talk
used...
about like a needle in a haystack, right?
Oh, boy.
But we're gonna get it done.
Be sure to subscribe to our podcast at theadvancedgrp.com. That's theadvancedgrp.com.